Alright guys, here's the new project to the channel. This is my 2003 XR100. I've had this thing since about 2012 and I've got countless amounts of miles on this thing. Now this thing did run whenever I parked it a couple years ago, but as you can see,
it's obviously pretty dirty. I'm going to wash it before I start the videos. I'm going to see if it actually will run after sitting for so long. It smoked like a freight train last time I rode it, and it honestly acted like a two-stroke even though I cleaned the carburetor, so I don't know what that was wrong with it, but let's see if we can get it running.
back then I cleaned the carb, I also changed the air filter with it, I also bought a new boot just in case if it was a vacuum leak. None of those things fixed it, so as it's sitting right now, since it does not run, I thought it would be a good time to go ahead and rebuild it. The current plans that I have for this is that I want to split the case, I want to be able to take down all the way to the bottom end, I want to replace the clutches, I want to clean up the transmission gears, make sure everything's okay, buy all new seals, replace the stator cover, and I also want to put in new rings because this thing was smoking like a freight train last time I had it, but that was only whenever it started up. So if you guys are interested in this build, please let me know below. I'd like to know what you guys would like to see out of this build because after all, I am going to be taking on the entire engine. If there's anything specific that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like more videos like this, please subscribe.